Stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.